Today, we're checking out 3 premium cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and they all have very different vibes. We've got the Peak Design Clarino Vegan Leather, the Pitaka Ultra Slim, and the Native Union RE Classic in navy. I'll unbox each one, throw it on the phone, do some quick real-world checks, and then we'll put all 3 head-to-head to see which one actually makes sense for you. Starting with Peak Design. The packaging is clean, minimal, very Peak Design. This is their Clarino Vegan Leather, which already feels softer than most of the other eco leather cases I've tried. The install is super easy. The buttons line up instantly, no forcing the corners. That microfiber lining inside is a really nice touch, especially if you care about keeping the phone itself pristine. The buttons are clicky but muted, which feels very premium. The grip is solid without being sticky, and the camera lip is raised just enough that I'd feel safe putting it down on a table. This is definitely the everyday professional case. It's slim, protective, and classy, without screaming for attention. Next up, the Pitaka Ultra Slim. The packaging is simple, but honestly, this case is all about what's not there. It has almost no bulk at all. This basically just snaps on like a skin. If you love the naked phone feel, this is already speaking your language. With this one, the buttons are exposed, so you're pressing the actual iPhone buttons. The grip comes from the aramid fiber texture. It's not rubbery, but it's surprisingly secure in the hand. The protection is minimal though. There's a small camera lip and barely any rise on the edges. This case is for people who hate cases, but still want something for scratch protection. Last one is the Native Union RE Classic in navy. Right away, this feels more traditional. It's made from recycled materials and has a really solid construction. This one takes a bit more pressure to install, but once it's on there. The buttons are nicely dampened and easy to find without looking. The grip is excellent, especially around the sides. The camera protection is the best so far, and it just feels the most drop-ready out of the 3. This is definitely a daily driver case if protection matters more to you. Alright, let's do a quick head-to-head comparison. For slimness, Pitaka wins, and it's not even close. For grip, the best grip goes to Native Union, with Peak Design as a close second. For premium feel, I think the Peak Design feels the most refined and well-rounded overall. For protection, again, Native Union takes this with its thick corners and solid camera lip. And for style, it really depends on your taste. The Pitaka is minimalist, the Peak Design is modern professional, and the Native Union is classic and bold. So here's the quick takeaway. If you want that almost naked phone feel, go with Pitaka. If you want a balanced, premium case for everyday use, the Peak Design is your winner. And if you want maximum confidence and grip, you can't go wrong with Native Union. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.